What are we gonna do?
Play tag.
Play tag or hide and seek?
Hide and seek.
Alright, who's gonna hide first?
Me and Mommy.
You and Mommy? Oh, okay. Come on, you and Mommy.
And you.
Okay, I'll close my eyes and I'll count to 20, okay?
Okay.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's close our eyes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright, count to 20. Stop trying to hide now. Where are they at? Can we find them? Maybe. I don't know where they are. Hold on, what is that?
I'm right here.
Oh, there you are. You're hiding under there. I see you. Come here. Come on. Come on. Alright, come here. Alright, where's she at, you think? Is she back there? So there where it is? I wonder where she's at. There she is, right there. Where do you think she's hiding at, Mai? Maya! Come back here! Maya! Come back here, Mai. Where do you think your mommy is? Where's she at? Are you sure? I don't see anything. She got you.